And today we're going to open 짜란! 오즈 야채 썰기 세트 and 시장 바구니. I'm so excited! Let's open it. Ooh! Ooh! Wow, there are so much! Let's open them one by one.
A few moments later.
Wow, look at all this in one box. 정말 많아요. So many. Let's look inside. We have a bag full of vegetables and fruits, some plates, even a sink. Gasarange? Oh, a stove. We have a stove and a knife and a chopping board, a frying pan and a pot. I have an idea. Pinky, do you want to cook 부대찌개? Yeah! Let's see. What are the ingredients that we need? Do we need radish? Yes. Onion leeks? Yes. We need onions. Pumpkin? Do we need pumpkin, Pinky? No! Yucky! Do we need cabbage? We need kimchi! Oh yeah! Kimchi is made of cabbage. Do we need boiled egg, Pinky?
No.
Let's just say no. No boiled egg. What about sweet potatoes?
호박 고구마 호박 고구마
Nope.
Hot peppers. Do we need hot peppers? Yes, we do, because 부대찌개 is red and hot peppers are red. Tomatoes. 부대찌개 is red, so do we need to add tomatoes? No! Why not, Pinky? Tomatoes are red? No! Yucky! All right, then no tomatoes. What about eggplants? No. Corn. Wow! Corn! I want this now. Delicious! Ooh, potatoes. I love potatoes. Potatoes are used for French fries and French fries and French fries. I love French fries. Do we need potatoes in 부대찌개? French fries. French fries. Okay, Pinky, we'll make French fries later on. So no potatoes in 부대찌개. What about beans? Beans. Do we need beans? Pinky, do we need beans? No! Yeah, no beans. Yucky! Ooh, paprika.
Nope.
Carrots. No carrots. Ooh, a mushroom. Pizza! Oh yeah, we put mushrooms in pizza. I want pizza, but we're going to make 부대찌개, so no mushrooms. Broccoli! Do you want to put broccoli in 부대찌개, Pinky? That's right. No broccoli in 부대찌개. And last is a banana. I think we can eat this now. Peel and peel and peel. Banana. Do you want some banana, Pinky? Banana! 다 버리네. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's get to work.
구독과 좋아요를